Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today topic is UTC part 3. 800 day does not indicate mean the solar day getting longer second half very 800 day. It will take about the 50,000 year of the mean solar day lengthen of the 1 second. At a rate of 2 ms per century. Rate of fluctuation within the range of 1.7 to 2.3 ms by CY while the rate of reduce tidal friction along the about the 2.3 ms CY uplift of Canada and Scandinavia by several meters in the last ice age of the temporary reduced to 1.7 ms by CY over the last 2700 year of correct reason for the leap second. Then the not current difference between actual and nominal LOD but rather the accumulation between difference of over period time near the end of the 20th century difference was about 1 by 800 second per day. Thereafter the 800 day accumulated 1 second leap second was the order graph DT1 above excess LOD above the nominal 86,400 correspondent of the downward slope graph between vertical segment. The slope becomes shallower in the 1980s, 2000 and late 2010 and 2020 because of slight acceleration earth rotation temporarily shortening the day. Vertical position graph correspond to the accumulation in difference between overtime and vertical segment correspond to leap second. Induced match this accumulated difference leap second at time to keep the DT1 within the vertical range of depicted by giant graph frequency leap second. Thereafter correspond of slope of the diagonal graph segment. Those are excess LOD. Time period when the slope reverse direction slope upward not the vertical segment at times of the excess LOD negative that LOD is below 86,400. Future earth rotation continue to slope positive leap and second will be rocket more frequently. Time rate range of LOD approximately plus 1.7 ms per century. At the end of the 21st century, LOD will be regularly 86,400.004 s recurring leap second every 250 day over several century frequency. Leap second will be become probability. Change of trend on the UT1 minus UTC value was seen by beginning around the June 2019, which is the instead of slowing down with a leap second to keep the difference between UT1 and UTC less than 0.9 second. Earth rotation speed up causing difference to increase the trend continue. Negative leap second may be the record which not been used before the may not be need to until 2025. Sometimes 22nd century 2 leap second will be required every year in the current practice. Only allowing leap second in June and December will be insufficient. Maintain a difference less than 1 second. Decide to introduce leap second in the March in September 25th century 4 leap second are projected to record every year. Current quarterly option would be insufficient. April 2001, Rob Seaman National Optical Astronomy Observatory proposed the leap second be allowed to added monthly rather than twice yearly. 2022 resolution was adopted by the General Conference. Weight and measure redefine UTC abolished leap second, but they keep civil second of constant equal to the SI second, so that Sunday would be slowly get further and further out of the sync with the civil time. Leap second will be eliminated by 2035. Resolution does not break the connection between UTC and UT1 but increase the maximum allowable difference. Detail of the what maximum difference will be how to correction and implement left to the future discussion. That will be result shift to the sun of movement relative to civil time and with the difference increasing quarterly with the time. Proportion to elapsed century square analogous to the shift of season and relative to the yearly calendar result from the calendar year not precisely matching tropical year length would be changed the civil timekeeping and would be have slow effect time drastic over several centuries. UTC and TAA would be more ahead of the UT would be coincide with the local mean time of along with the meridian drifting eastward of faster and faster. Those are time system will lose the fixed concentration of geographic coordinate based on the IERS meridian. Difference between UTC and UT would be reached 0.5 hour after the year of 2600 and 6.5 hour around the 4600. ITU or study group and 7 hour working party of 7 year were unable to reach consensus of whether to advance proposal to 2012 Radio Communication Assembly. Chairman of study group 7 elected advance question of 2012 Radio Communication Assembly. 20 January 2012 consideration proposal for postponed where ITU united World Radio Conference in the these conference in turn the consider the question of no permanent decision was reached. Only those are choose to engage the further study of goal and reconsideration in 2023. Proposed alternative leap second in the leap hour or leap minute which require the change only once every few centuries. ITU World Radio Communication Conference 2023 WRC 23 which was held in Dubai, United Arab Emirates from 20 November to 15 December 2023, formally recognized by resolution of 4/27th GCPM 2022, which decide to maximum value for the difference in UTC 1 UTC will be increased on the before 2030